Good afternoon and happy Memorial Day weekend. Oh my gosh, some cloud to ground lightning. I'm up here at the Clearview Mall getting ready to intercept a strong line of storms. The storm has a history of producing strong winds and deadly cloud to ground lightning. Ooh, another bolt. Here's a look southwest, and we're gonna get wet here pretty soon. And this is looking north. So this line of storm should be out of here by about, I'm gonna say about 3:30. North in Crawford and Venango County earlier today, there were 2 severe warning cells, and they had a history of producing strong winds. Everybody has their Memorial Day weekends planned, but I do want you to know that Memorial Day is more than just cookouts and camping and sales. It's about remembering those who lost their lives in battle. Look how fast those clouds are moving. Oh my gosh. Put on the windshield wipers. Or put my window up. I don't want to get wet. Especially since I have power windows, I just want my my power window to short out. Sorry about the rain on the window, but I just don't want to open it. I don't feel like getting the shower. Well, I spoke too soon. This storm is now severe warned, and there's a warning on it until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And there's another storm I just saw pop up that's severe warned near Cranberry Township, so I might head south. No, I'm not heading to Cranberry. I'm probably going to drop south here pretty soon after this one moves out a little bit. We'll see. Depends. Okay, this is looking southwest. Okay, I'm probably going to go ahead and drop this storm and head south. Ooh. And the storm is severe warned till 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outdoors, seek shelter. Heading south on Main Street, Butler. I just hope it's dry for the Memorial Day parade Monday morning. That would be a shame if it rained like this. So hopefully the rain holds off until after all the parades are over. But I'm glad we're getting rain because I just put my garden in. Even though I've been watering, but still it's better to have natural rainwater. Now I'm at the Butler County Airport, and it's 3:05 p.m. so this severe warning only has about 10 minutes to go. Looks like it's clearing up heading west. I'm going to go ahead and check radar and see what's going on. Right now I'm at Harcrest Community Park in Penn Township. And for some reason, this is like a dead zone for cell reception. I don't get anything here. And the storm's moving east. This is looking southeast. Okay, I think I'm going to end the chase at the Suck Up Nature Park in Penn Township. The severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire. However, it's been reissued east of here, and that's on till 4 p.m. So it's like for eastern Butler County now. So this line is still packing a punch. And I got some much needed rain for my vegetable garden. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and everybody have a safe Memorial Day weekend.